You think investing is only for the rich or the experts? Think again. In this video, I'll show you exactly what a stock is, why everyday people around the world should care, and how you can start investing even if you only have $20 a month. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Brijesh Kapoor Finance, where we explain money and investing in everyday language like we are having a coffee chat. So let's start super simple. Imagine your local pizza shop wants to grow, maybe open a second location, but they don't have enough money. So they decide to sell tiny pieces of their business to raise cash. Now these pieces are called stocks. When you buy a stock, you're basically becoming a tiny owner of that company. And if that pizza shop becomes a national chain, the value of your little piece goes up. That's investing. Okay, so why should you even bother with stocks? Now, there are three simple reasons. First, your money can grow. For example, if you buy a stock for $10 and if the company does well, the stock might go up to $20. When you sell it, you have made a profit, which we call a capital gain. Second, investing helps you keep up with the rising prices, something called inflation. Now imagine a carton of eggs cost $3 last year, but now it's costing $3.50. And that's inflation. Prices slowly going up over time. Now if your money just sits in a savings account, it won't grow fast enough to keep up with those price increases. But stocks have historically helped people stay ahead of inflation and grow their wealth. And third, some companies share their profits with you through cash payments called dividends. It's like getting a thank you check just for owning their stock. So not only can your investment grow, but you also get paid regularly just for holding on to your shares. Now let's be honest, stocks go up and down, and that's normal. There are a few key risks you should know about. First, stock prices can change day to day basis the news, the economy, or even global events. But don't panic. These ups and downs are part of the ride. Second, if a company you invested in runs into trouble like poor management or strong competition, its stock price will likely drop and your investment might lose value. And third, putting all your money into just one stock is very risky. If that company crashes, you could lose a lot. So it's important to spread your investments around, and this is called diversification, and it helps protect your money. Now to make investing less risky and more successful, follow these three simple rules. First, spread your bets. Don't put all your money into one company. Buy a mix of stocks from different types of businesses. Or even better, consider an ETF. Now that's a basket of stocks all in one package. Second, think long term. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's more like planting a tree. You water it, you give it time, and then you watch it grow. And third, start small but stay consistent. You don't need thousands to get going. Even putting aside $20 a month is good if you keep it up over time. You'll be surprised how much it adds up. So ready to start? Here's how. First, decide what you're investing for. Is it for retirement, a home, or a big trip? Your goal helps you pick the right kind of investments. Next, pick a place to buy stocks called a brokerage. Now there are many options available worldwide, from big banks to online platforms. Choose the one which is easy for you and has low fees. And then, pick the right account for your investments. Some accounts have tax benefits depending on your country. So it's worth checking what's best where you live. After that, fund your account by transferring money from your bank. Finally, make your first purchase. For beginners, an ETF that covers many companies is a smart and simple way to get started. And just like that, you have taken your first big step into investing. You now know what stocks are, why they matter, the risks to watch out for, and how to get started. No fancy finance degree needed. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Be patient, keep learning, and stay consistent. Over time, your small steps can turn into big results. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple money tips. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.